affordable government housing blocks that are surprisingly expensive. Okay, so 4 letters. Surprisingly anagram indicator. Okay. Wow. Wait lang. Wala ako masyadong makitang mga indicators except sa isa. Ang definition is affordable. Pwede ding expensive. Wow. Wala talagang maisip Wait lang. Ang daming words for a 4-letter answer. Kung anagram si surprisingly, ano ang i-anagram? Blocks. Anong indicator possible ang blocks? Housing, pwedeng containing. So, i-contain si... Wow! 1 par. Pero mahirap. So, may substitution ba? Housing. Pwedeng containing ang housing. I need hint. Indicator. Housing. Also, housing lang. Okay, housing is hidden. Hindi siya containing and surprisingly is not an anagram indicator. Okay, hidden ang housing. Okay, kita ko na. I think ito. Lego. Sige nga. Okay. So, anong definition? Blocks that are surprisingly expensive. Okay, Lego. Hindi ako convinced sa housing as a hidden indicator. Akala ko containing kasi in a house. Anyway, sige. On par. Okay na rin. Bye.